国际新闻来看，美国总统川普伫美东时间20号伫白宫甲国防部长赫格塞斯等人宣布讲，会伫伊的任期内来完成经费1750亿美金的金强飞弹防御系统。美国的国防新闻周刊分析是认为讲，这应该阁有真侪变数。
We make a historic announcement about the Golden Dome missile defense shield. That's something we want. And Ronald Reagan wanted it many years ago, but they didn't have the technology. But it's something we're going to have. We're going to have it at the highest level.
已经过身的美国总统雷根任内，宣布被发展所谓前进计划了后，已经超过40档。40年来，有关飞弹防御系统的概念慢慢形成，包括部署伫咧太空、海边加地面的侦测架构，抑个对陆地加海上发射的武器系统，构成多层次的防御架构。
Space-based infrared sensors detect each missile and predict their impact points. The satellites cue the missile defense system through the Command and Control Battle Management and Communications System, or C2BMC, to alert forward-based radars. The ANTPY-2 radar, the Sea-based X-band radar, or SBX, and the Long-Range Discrimination Radar, or LRDR, acquire and track each missile as it ascends into space. The radars watch the missile engines burn out, with radars closer to the targets observing each payload separation. A decision is made on where to engage the threats and with how many interceptors. Radar search fans discriminate the most likely threat re-entry vehicle amidst the rocket debris, decoys, and other countermeasures. Warfighters fire a single interceptor to engage the first ICBM targeting the U.S.
目前包括新盾驱逐舰所构成的海上防御，一个陆地发射的纳扎武器系统，拢继续伫咧操作。不过，川普政府的企图心唔那安尼。
This design for the Golden Dome will integrate with our existing defense capabilities and should be fully operational before the end of my term.
国防新闻周刊分析指出。 金强要防御的是中俄两国数量真多，并且包括超过音速飞弹这款先进的武器，所以要完成金强防御系统，对太空发射的纳扎武器，抑个地面发射的超过音速飞弹，拢袂硬欠。不过这两项到目前为止拢无具体研发成果，要伫川普这个任期内完成建备，变数抑个真大。公司新闻，徐嘉玲编辑。